welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am playing the classic airplane wars. Yeah, I always forget the name. So actually I played this with music in professional be like. So please subscribe to my channel or go in my channel to see the views. I am removing this chat. If I even go on this photo, I remember about Kidlaroy State. I am grappling hook over them. Whoa. I guess that was a sacrifice. What? Hey, yo! I'm blowing this place up, little bros. Okay, if I had a parachute, this would be much more realistic. And this is going down. Boom. Hey, don't underestimate me. I also have a spawn. Nobody can even touch me. Even if they could. Yeah. Sing woman, sing for me. That player is going down today. Oh! Yeah, this was that player. Is my game glitching? I pulled out the sword and I tried to kill her. But she's giving me damage and the sound of that pulling out the sword is also coming. Oh my god. He would be like, what? That's enough of you. Oh my gosh. Did I just ultimate jump? Do I have some kind of potion of leaping in this? Oh damn. No killing. Whoa. Yeah. Rehan. Hey, little bro. No one's going. What did I do? I literally popped out the sword and I did a spike trap. Woo! No thanks. If you want to do a match, come at me. That's enough of you. Come over here. happens in my game. If I try to do a spree, someone else kills me. Come over here. He's like a loosened head. Come over here. Oh my gosh. Don't tell me the game is lagging. This game is glitched. No! But who's that? Okay, so guys, let me just do another video of this, but still upload this. I guess this is not the end of this video. I'm playing for 5 more minutes. I guess so. With my pen drive. Okay. Good thing I'm in blue. Destroy the red. Oh my god. This is how Star Wars were made. I guess so. Y'all, are you glitching me? Okay. I'm going to the top and blink. I want to see the real power. Potato, come over here. Ding da, ding da. Hey, bacon, come. Potato. Poof. That was funny. That was funny. No, no, no. I didn't mean to do that. Sorry, mister. What? Why is that person standing over there? I don't like that. Bro. And what's happening with the plane? Yo. Chill. I'm moving the oh wow. Whoa. Oh my god. Yeah. You saw that, right? No missiles coming to our plane. I can just feel the air of that little missile. No, please. Yeah. I'm killing you. I don't know why I overact so much. Oh, I'm just chilling. There's some kind of... Hey, yo, where are you going? Hmm? Sing, woman, sing for Maria. Hey! Oh. I'm keeping the bomb ready. No, 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 no. Oh, no, no, no. You're done for. Yep. I was on so little help, bro. Okay, I'm placing bombs. Oh, please land nicely. Bye. Eh, don't you just look behind? Oh, okay. He's also getting blown. Okay, so guys, this is up for this video. See you next time in next video. Okay, please subscribe. Bye.